guys, my name is Brittany and welcome to my YouTube channel. This week I am so excited because I get to talk about my absolute favorite palette in the world, and that is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Volume 1 palette. This palette has such a variety of different shade ranges that I feel like it would work for everyone. There is so many neutral shades, some bright colors, mauve pinks, bright pinks, and some beautiful emerald greens, and of course some darker neutrals at the bottom. This palette has so much metallics in it that are amazing. They go on buttery smooth. The mattes are so blendable and they're never patchy, and like I said, I just think that this palette is absolutely wonderful. This, in my opinion, is the best palette that Morphe has ever produced and probably will ever produce. I wanted to create 5 looks for you this week so that way you could see how versatile this palette really is. I definitely went a lot more colorful than I'm used to because I normally just stick to neutrals and I'm very basic when it comes to my eyeshadow. So I love that I got to create different looks with you. I will be doing 5 different tutorials and I'm just showing you little snippets. I definitely blended so much longer than what you're going to see, and I'm just going to speed through them so that way I can get to the final look, but it is enough to where if you did want to recreate this look at home, you definitely would be able to do that from what I have provided you. So I don't want to hold you up any further, and we're going to jump right into that video. Okay guys, so this is look number 1. I love how it turned out. I love smoky and sultry colors, and I thought there's no better way to start out with the Jaclyn Hill palette than to do something a little bit more smoky or sultry, as she definitely likes to do those types of looks on herself. I think this look would look great on anyone with brown, hazel, or green eyes. I think it would just make your eyes pop. And I'm really happy with the final result. Here is a closer look at it, but I don't want to stall you any further, so here is look number 2. Hey guys, so excuse my voice, I'm sorry. I've been having a lot of allergies and I was sick last week, so I'm still just getting over my cold. But I wanted to jump on here and let you see what my finished look did look like. Now, I have been at work all day, so I just got off not too long ago. It is about 9 o'clock at night now, and when you saw me filming, it was around 6 o'clock this morning, so it is a big time difference. My eyeshadow is not going to look as pristine as what it did. So this is a look. I think that it held up pretty well, especially considering it's been on my eyes over 12 hours now. But I love it. I think that this look is pretty nude and toned down, especially for people that are used to a lot of color. If you're more used to neutrals, this could be a great nighttime look for you. I think it's awesome for fall and during the winter and holiday seasons to add a little bit of burgundy or red to your look. But I don't want to stall you any further, so let's jump into look number 3. Hey guys, so this is the third look. I wanted to really play on the burnt orange color that I have on my sweater, and then I added some pops of purple to it. I hope you like it, and we'll jump right into look number 4. Hey guys, so it has been about 12 hours since you see me last. I'm so sorry about that. I tried to film and make sure that I give myself time to show you the finished look, but unfortunately I was running late to work this morning, so I could not, and I feel like I'm running late to work every single morning. But I I wanted to show you what it does look like now. It has been 12 hours, but I think that it looks absolutely beautiful even for the 12 hours that it's been on my eyes. So I'm going to do a close-up look for you, and do not judge how my eyebrows look because they always look weird, and I don't know why they look like that up close. But anyways, so I have added this gold onto here and these warmer colors here, and then faded the gold into teal into like a darker blue color, and then I connected everything right at the bottom, and I absolutely am in love. This is definitely my favorite out of the 4 looks that I've done so far, and let me know what your favorite is down in the comments below and help me out, help me look good all the time. I mean, I'm normally like a basic girl when it comes to eyeshadow. I want it to be neutrals or something that helps play to my eyes. A lot of browns and mauves and reds that I'll use, but nothing too bright, especially not cool tone, and I absolutely love this. So thank you again for subscribing to my channel and being a part of my page. I cannot tell you how thankful I am for all of your support that you have given me, and hitting subscribe and watching my videos every single week. I'm so happy that I decided to finally do this channel and to have a space to be able to come and play with makeup and just to really fall in love with makeup again. I'm so thankful for you, and I could not tell you enough how much that makes my heart happy. But I will let you get back to your video. Okay, so this is the final look of the 5 days of eyeshadow looks, and I am happy that it's over because it was a lot of work. However, I want to continue to be inspired to play with different makeup colors. Now, I did start this one around 6 o'clock this morning, and unfortunately I had to rush off to work because I needed extra time there today. So I am filming this around 10 o'clock at night, but I think that it still held up just as good as it did from this morning. So let me zoom you in, and again, do not judge how it looks up close, but this is going to be how it looks. I really like how the different pinks come together because they almost look like one color, and I always try to blend out my colors to make sure that there's no visible lines, and I think with this one I did a better job than on the teals. But which one was your favorite? My favorite was definitely look number 4 with the different teals and golds, and I can't wait to be able to use that in my everyday life. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you continuing to give me a space to be creative and do what I love, and that's to play with makeup. I would love it if you would go and subscribe and join my little family that I'm creating here. Comment down below and let me know what was your favorite look of the week and what your favorite eyeshadow colors are, and that's how I'll know if you stay to the end. give me a big thumbs up and turn on that notification bell if you want to see my videos, because I post every single Friday and you'll be one of the first to see them. And you can even watch premieres with me and comment on them as I am as well. So I will see you in my next one.